Alright, here we go. Box 2 of the break is the first of 2 Artifacts boxes. Whoa. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. 10 packages of cards. These 4 hits. First pack is base. We got a Dennis Potvin, number to 999 for the Islanders. Insert. I like to hit a patch in this. We got a green Iserman, number to 50 for the Red Wings. Green foil, number to 50. Legend. Got a rookie for the Blue Jackets, Chad Kolaric. Chad Kolaric? I don't know. Got the Blue Jackets and Rick Nash. Holy mackerel. This is the fattest pack of this I ever seen. This is the fattest pack. Oh, actually, it probably has 2 dummies, but we're going to save it for the end. Holy crap. Ah, never mind. Getting all excited. Look at the next pack. There's the next pack, dude. Next pack is super thin. They just got 2. They got mixed up. Well, this thin one first. The thin one has an auto in it. It's got a hit. Luca Caputi. That little auto he's got for the Maple Leafs. Luca Caputi with that, whatever he does right there. Artifacts autograph. We'll do this one. It's gonna have 2 dummy cards in it. Nope. It's got a patch and a dummy. We'll save it. We gotta save the patch for the end. A dummy and a patch. They got us. They got us on that one. The dummy fooled us. It fooled us. John Tavares, Artifact Star to 999 for the Islanders. Alright, we got our first jersey card. Dual, numbered 8 of 35. Tundra Tandems. Adam Oates and Cam Neely for the Bruins. Numbered 8 of 35. Yes. Is that one of their numbers? That's Cam Neely's number? Cam Neely's jersey number. There you go. Nice. Nazem Kadri, rookie to 999 for the Leafs. We got a dual jersey. Ryan Getzlaff for the Ducks. So we only got 1 auto so far. 2 jerseys. We got the patch card right there. Maybe this will be an auto. Or maybe we'll get an auto patch and be super lucky. We got a wild card rookie to random off. Rookie wild card. Don't know who it's going to be. And here's the patch. Whatever it is. With... You guys can look in there. Look. The patch and the dummy in there. Pretty sick. Base cards out the back. Where's the top? Wow, it's numbered 3 out of 5. It says tag patch. It's black. Look at that. 3 out of 5. Tag, and then it says tag patch right there. Good luck. Paul Stastny, pretty sick for the Avalanche. That's Rusty Deluxe. Isn't that Rusty Juice? Rusty Juice. Look at that. I'm getting too close to the YouTube camera. Let me show YouTube first. Holy cow, look at those patches. Sick. That's the first box of Artifacts YouTube piece.